So anyway, I have this beautiful hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. 2 weeks ago I got this new phone. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys my new phone. Yeah, this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you haven't watched my video, that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, I will put the link in the description box below or up here, so you better watch that out. I know it's Samsung because I used to have an iPhone, and since my daughter's cell phone, see, it's broken, it's shattered, and the screen is cracked and also on the back it's cracked. I mean, this one, it still works. Drop it a lot of times. And so, but I have this for, I couldn't remember. I decided to get a new phone. My phone, this one is iPhone 13. I gave it to her and I got a new phone. Probably you wonder why I switched to Samsung Galaxy phone. Well, for today's video, I'm not gonna talk about that. Maybe I'm gonna talk it later. By the way, if you're new to my channel and watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. So back to this one, this Samsung. Since I got a new phone, so of course you got to buy a cell phone case and also a screen protector. But before I exchange it to this Samsung S24 Ultra, I got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. I use that for, I think, 13 days, and because I have 2 weeks to decide if I will keep it or exchange it to a different phone. Then before the 15 days expired, so I have two exchanges to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's bigger than it's just the size difference. So I got this in violet color, and somebody comment on my video that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is shout out to SK and GK. I'm gonna put her comment down here. She was talking if this phone is heavier, because since she got the older version, heavier, just a little bit heavier, but it's just a size difference. I hope I answered that question. There's not much big difference on both, but I like this one better. If it's a new phone, then you gotta get the screen protector to protect the screen, because this one is not cheap. So you gotta protect your screen and also have a cell phone case. The first one that I'm gonna show you guys, of course, I'm gonna show you the screen protector first. I was looking for that. I went to Five Below to look for screen protector and also cell phone case, but I couldn't find any because they only have iPhones. I mean, they have it over here, but it costs more and it's not what I like. So I decided to just look online and found this at Amazon. Of course, Amazon has a lot of stuff, but I'm not promoting Amazon or anything. So anyway, I know you're also buying stuff at Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I have this screen protector. This one has 2-pack. This is a screen protector glass one touch, and it's a tempered glass. So let's open this one and see what it looks like. Here's all the stuff. Of course, I don't know what that is. It says this one is a dust removal. There's 2 of them because there's 2 packs in here. This one is the manual, and here is the screen protector, probably wipes in here, And what else is in here? There's two, of course. I'm gonna just show you guys one at this time. This is pretty nice. This one is for the camera on the back. And yeah, I'm gonna put that on the back. And the other one, this is the screen protector. There. So let's see. And here's my phone. See if it fits. Here's the plastic or the protector. This is a tempered glass and that. There it goes. So that's that. And the next one is the, of course, the cell phone case. If you have a cell phone that it's a little bit expensive, you better have a screen protector that won't crack easily, and also a case that it will protect your cell phone, because you know. But for me, so far, I always take good care of, you know, my things or my stuff. This is not very expensive cell phone case. These are very affordable one because I like the design. I know you gotta have a good quality, or you have to have a good protection for your, you know, for your cell phone, so it won't crack easily. And when you drop it, you know, but I like this one, so it's my choice. I mean, it's your preference though, so it's all up to you guys. But for me, yeah, that's what I prefer to save a little money. But yeah, I know, right? But it's just me. So anyway, I have this beautiful cell phone case, and it says on the back, smile every day. This one is just a styrofoam, and look at the design, guys. It's beautiful, and how the curve right here, and it's flexible too. And they have you know, different colors, but I like this purple because it matches, you know, I mean the violet color because it matches this one. And let's put this. Let's use this one first. See if it fits. There you go. Here it is. This is my screensaver. There, beautiful, and I like it. See, it's simple, but you know, kind of a cute, elegant, like that. Okay, yeah, I like that one. It's beautiful. The next cell phone case that I'm gonna show you here is a Samsung S24 Ultra phone case. So let's see what's inside in this box. Here's the third item. This one is a MagSafe, and look at that. You can also, like, you know, when you watch something on your cell phone, do it like that, or this. It's a stand. You can use this as a stand, and yellow color. So we'll see. There you go. Oh, pretty cool. It's kind of a rubbery feel to it, and I like the color and the design of this one. There's only two so far, right? There's only two cell phone case that I bought at Amazon. I really like it so far. I don't know which one that I have to use this time, but I might try This one is beautiful. They're both beautiful, but I can change it once in a while. So if you have any questions, guys, just leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.